Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Lord Have Mercy. If you're new, thank you for clicking and watching, and if you are a returner, what's good? So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. Gonna try to do something simple. I was gonna play with glitter, but I was playing with glitter, but then I was like, I don't know about this. I don't know. You don't know what's going on. Eventually.
You don't know about it. You don't know it. Some of them are criminal. It can take your criminal. It can take your money eventually.
Really?
Yeah, for vanishing.
But anyways, I was like, yeah, I'm not sure. But I think I'm just going to do something simple and we'll go with that. And I do know we do have so many do. Okay. We do have a lot of new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Yeah, there's a giveaway going on my French channel. I'll put a link to it up here. So some of the rules are rule to the giveaways that you have to subscribe to my channel to participate in the giveaway. So yes, we have an overflow and abundance of new subscribers due to the giveaway. So thank you so much, Michael, for doing the giveaway, and thank you to you guys for subscribing. As you are new subscribers, please let me know what you'd like to see from my channel. I know some of you might just subscribe for the giveaway, but I will really appreciate it if you stick around and if you participate in letting me know what you guys would like to see from me and the channel. Yeah, so without further ado, I'm going to move on to the makeup tutorial. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you click the subscribe button below and hit the bell for notifications so you know when next I have another video. So yeah. Alright, so first we're going to work some magic on these brows. I'm going to fill in my brows, and to do so I will be using the Morphe brow pencil. I love this brow pencil. I love it. Since I got it, I've been using it. I'm cheating on the Anastasia brow pencil. Forgive me. But I love it. It's so smooth and I don't want to say creamy, but are my brows shedding? Jesus. But it's really pigmented. That's one of the reasons why I like it. And I use the shade Chocolate Mousse. So now I'm gonna clean up my brows. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in Deep, and I will be using the MAC 212 flathead brush to do that. Okay, now that our brows are done, I'm going to prime my eyelids, and for that I'm using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. I can still, ooh, this hold up, wait, I didn't pick my nose, it was just itchy. Whoa, this foundation though, this is my first time trying it, by the way. I just got a sample size from Sephora. Whoa, this is beautiful. Oh wow, okay. And the palette I'm going to use, I got as a birthday present. It's called Glamour Island Babe. The H Factor wanted to come a Highland Babe. That's the palette we shall be using today. I'm going to be going into the purple shade, the orange shade, and one more shade. I'm not sure what shade it will be yet. And I'm gonna blend out the purple with the orange shade. Gonna go back in with the brush I used for the purple to blend out or blend it in with the orange. Alright, so next I'm going to cut my crease. Okay, so to cut my crease, I'm gonna use the P. Louis Base Shadow Blank Canvas. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with that color I told you I was going with that I didn't know about yet. I'm gonna go with the blue pigment, which is called Bora Bora. Put that on the. Ooh, this is pigmented. Okay, guys, so this is it for the eyes. I'm gonna try and put on some lashes. Alright, so for my face, I'm going to use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And the foundation I'm going to be using is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation in the shade Chai. Chai! Chai! Gonna put the e.l.f. in my inner corner. Just there. And then I'm gonna put the Clinique everywhere else. Alright guys, now I'm gonna set and bake my under eye with the Makeup Obsession Pure Bake in Topaz. Next I'm gonna contour with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette to snatch the face.
What you know about me? 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 You don't know anything about me.
To highlight my face, I will be using the e.l.f. Glow Gleam Bling Bling Bling. The e.l.f. Glow Glam. What? The e.l.f. Glow Gleam Beam palette. Yes, mommy. Yes. Oof. Oof. Tell me something I don't know. Oh my god. I love highlighter. Okay. I'm gonna set all of this. Yeah. Okay, so the eyes are done. I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips. I'm using the NYX lip liner in Espresso. And then I'm gonna top it with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Let the brains come out. Oh my god. Okay. I think we need some earrings. Let's get some earrings. So I really wanted to wear this earring with it because I feel like it goes. I feel like it goes so well with it, but I couldn't find the second ear. I'm just gonna take my pictures like this. But anyways, I'm gonna change it out with something else. I will still take pictures with them though, just one-sided. Yeah. Alright, so this is it guys. This is the end of the video. This is the finished look. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Anyways, I just ate something. I don't know who sent me. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you don't like it, keep it to yourself. No dislikes. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and sticking with me. And I hope to see you in my next video. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you click the subscribe button below. Hit the bell for notifications so you know when next I have another video. And also give this video a thumbs up. And do share with your friends, family, neighbors, cousins, nieces. Give them something to watch in this time of quarantine. Or quarantine time. Valentine, yeah, quarantine. Okay, there we go. But yeah, thank you guys so much for clicking and watching, and I hope to see you in my next video by God's grace. Peace out.